Start filming now.
Welcome to the Nature Channel with Ashley and
Megan.
we're gonna go and find out what that is over there. Oh, what's that, Megan?
From my research, I think that's a rock.
I can't hear you.
That's pretty cool, a rock! Yeah.
Okay, I'm scared. Wait! No! Stop!
There's a lump.
What if there's like something like dead underneath
Okay,
it?
ready? Watch out, Megan.
No!
For my research, that's a rock.
I think it's ice.
Oh, look, what's this over here?
It's an alligator.
Oh my god!
There's broken ice under there, people. Not safe.
Now, follow us over to the real deal.
What's the real deal?
Right under the water.
I know, that's my point.
So if I pull that up, all this water will crack, yeah?
Don't you dare. Ashley? Megan, step away.
Here, what's gonna happen?
You're gonna break it.
Now I'm actually scared. Let's keep walking.
Yeah. This over here. No. Oh no. Look at this guy. He's taking an alligator.
That's not an alligator.
He might be living in nothing over there. So there's only one way to find
I
out.
don't think your viewers can see what that is. I need to zoom in.
Follow
It is right there. That thing. We are.
What if somebody's actually living in that?
now.
It'd be dead. It's so cold.
Put the camera inside.
Put the camera inside it, and then we'll just see what it looks like. Don't.
Anyone home?
Don't. Imagine it fell down. You guys, I think this is enough adventures for today.
No. Let's go see if that thing is over there.
Oh no.
You guys, this is so scary. I believe it's a whole bunch of branches.
I believe my viewers. This is a.
I want to write something really pretty in this, and then it'll be my Facebook picture. Oh my gosh, the snow looks so pretty. Ah!
Yeah.
Now that under there is water.
Really?
How deep it is?
Is it actually? Back away, Bagels. I'm not even.
I don't know about that.
I know, either do I. I wasn't even looking at the camera.
We are heading over to the hat.
Ah! Where's it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey, it's not on its fingers. That's a good sign.
No, well, I'm done with it.
Don't.
I skated all the way.
Yeah, we've skated here, but, like, that was before.
He's a looking guy.
I'm climbing up this tree right
It
now.
actually looks like you are, because, like, you can't see your feet. You've almost reached the top!
Oh, Ashley!
No! My hands are going to fall off. Anybody else want to take a turn at filming?